Topology Explorer provides two separate workflows for analysis: parallel bus and serial link interface. This is a 5-part series of videos. In this series, we will learn how to model, simulate and analyze a simple parallel bus system. In this video, I will talk about how to activate Sigrity SI for parallel bus analysis, how to create Workspace and save the topology. So let's get started. In step 1, we will open Topology Explorer 17.4 from Cadence program menu. Then from Cadence product choices, we have to select either Advanced SI2 or Advanced SI license and click on OK. Once the Topology Explorer is open, we are good to go for creating new workspace. To create a new workspace, we have to click on New button on Topology Explorer. And as you can see, a Create New Topology window will open. Now first we will select System SI tab from this window and select Parallel Bus Analysis Workflow. Once you will do that, you can see there are several ready to use built-in topologies for parallel bus systems are listed in this template column. But instead of using any pre-built topology, we are going to learn how to build it from scratch. To do that, you have to select blank topology, enter the topology name, enter the path where you wanted to save this topology, and then click on Create button. Now as you can see, the Topology Explorer window will open, and in this canvas we are going to place all these components and blocks. So let's say I wanted to place interconnect. To do that, you have to just select interconnect from the filter of Add Block menu, and by clicking over these blocks you can place trace, cable, sub-circuit models, layout, etc. Similarly, you can place blocks for IBIS models. So in next video, we are going to learn how to edit controller and memory blocks and how to assign IBIS models to these blocks. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.